Hello everyone, let's understand the friend keyword in C++. Now suppose I have some class and there are some private data members of the class. Then you know that I cannot access the private data members of class outside the class. I can access them only inside the member functions of that class. Now friend is something which gives you access to the private data members of class outside the class. Now first thing is, friend is something which is not advisable to use. So it defeats the object oriented paradigm, so it is not advisable to use, but still we will see it since it is there in C++. So now what are the things which can be friend? There are three things under friend category. First thing is one function, one global function as a friend of some class. Second thing is member function of one class as a friend of other class. And third thing is one class whole as a friend of other class. So let's see them one by one. First thing, a global function as a friend of some class. So suppose I have class A and I have some global function fun, then I cannot access the private data member of class A inside function fun. Suppose I is a private data member, then I cannot access it directly inside function fun. But if I declare this function fun as a friend of class A, then I can do that. So how to do it? I will write friend void fun inside class A. Then second thing is member function of one class as a friend of other class. Suppose class A is there, class B is there, private data member R is inside class A, and I want to access it in function fun, which is a member function of class B. Then for that I have to declare this fun function as a friend of class A. So how to do that? I will write void, then name of the class to which fun function belong, that means B, scope resolution fun inside class A. And third thing is one class as a friend of other class. So class A is there, class B is there, private data member of class A, I want to access it inside any of the member function of class B. Then for that I will declare this class B as a friend of class A, and for that I will write the declaration friend class B inside class A. So let's implement all these cases and we will understand it in better way. Let's implement first case where global function is there which is friend of a class. Suppose I have class A and in this class I declare int I, by default it is private, and there are some public functions. Say here there are some public functions. Now I have some global function void fun. Now in this fun function I create the object of a class as a obj, and I try to access I using obj.I. I assign some value to that, obj.I equals to 1 to 3, and now let me check whether this code gets compiled. So g++, name of the file is friends.cpp. It is giving error that int a scope resolution I is private. So it is saying that you cannot access this I because it is private data member of class. So to overcome this error I need to declare this fun function as a friend of the class. So here it will be friend void fun semicolon. Now again let's compile and the error is gone. So this is a global function as a friend of a class. Now let's go for next one. Suppose I have class A and I have another class which is class B, and there is a function which is function fun declared in public of B. So here it is void fun. Let me write down the definition for fun function. So first return type, then name of the class, scope resolution, function name is fun, and here I create the object of a class a obj, and I try to access the private data member which is I. So let me compile this code. So again it is giving error regarding the private data member I, which we cannot access. So to overcome this error, again I need to make this fun function which is a friend of class A. So I will try to write it over here. I will say friend. Now it is a member function, so it's not only void fun. You will write here void first, then name of the class to which it belongs, so B, scope resolution, and then name of the function fun, semicolon at the end. So let's compile now. Now it is giving some another error. It is saying that B has not been declared, class B has not been declared. The error is because B is declared later, and before that I am using that in this declaration of friend function. So thing is, here first you should write class B and then you will write class A. So it should be something like this. Now let's try to compile. Let me save first. So it is getting compiled. So this is member function of one class as a friend of other class. Now the third case is one class which is friend of other class. So in that case, instead of declaring this single function as a friend of class A, I will declare whole B class as a friend of class A. So for that I will write friend class B here. So rest of the code will be same. So now it is getting compiled. So if I remove this, then it is throwing error regarding I variable which is private. So this was about the friend keyword. So please like the video and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video.